Welcome to I Talk You Talk. This video I'm going to discuss few of the greatest Indian kings in the history. Chandragupta Maurya, considered to be the first Indian king because he established Maurya dynasty and the first person to rule almost the entire India. It was interesting to know that the name Maurya came from his mother Mora. He is the grandfather of Ashoka the Great. Chandragupta Maurya defeated and conquered Nanda dynasty, and not just that, he defeated Seleucus, a Macedonian general from Alexander's army. Interesting, isn't it? Next, Ashoka Maurya. It's believed that including him, there were 101 brothers. Ashoka never lost a single battle in his lifetime. He established more than 20 universities in his rule. His ideology changed after the Kalinga War. In Buddhism, his name is referred after Gautama Buddha. And don't forget, Ashoka pillar is the national emblem of India. Next, Rajaraja Cholan, considered as the gem of all the South Indian kings in the history. His real name is Arulmozhi Varman. Raja means king of kings. He did not lose a single battle in his lifetime. His sister Kundavi was a great administrator and took care of temples that they built during the rule. Rajaraja Cholan established a very strong naval base in Bay of Bengal and Indian Ocean. Next, Kanishka the Great. He is well known and famous for his military, political and spiritual achievements. He adopted Buddhism. His coins were found in Mathura and Benares. It's believed that first stone statue of Buddha were erected in India during Kanishka's rule. He also established good trade relations with China. Next, Prithviraj Chauhan, one of the earliest Rajput rulers. Prithviraj Chauhan was captured and executed by Muhammad Ghori. Maharani Sanyukta and other Rajput women chose to end their life instead of surrendering to Muhammad Ghori. Prithviraj Chauhan's love story with Sanyukta is a very interesting one, worth a movie. Next, Karikala Cholan. It's believed that he established his rule up to Himalayas. Not many kings from South India has achieved this mark. Battle of Veni made him very famous, and that's the battle in which he defeated Chera king. Karikala Cholan invaded Sri Lanka. He was the one to build Kallanai, a marble piece. Kallanai means a dam built with stones, and this dam is one of the oldest in the world and is put into use even now. Next, Maharana Pratap. The Mewar king was the eldest of 33 children of King Uday Singh. His brothers betrayed him and joined Akbar to defeat Maharana Pratap and conquer Mewar kingdom. Maharana Pratap fought Akbar's army with just 22,000 soldiers. You know what was the size of Akbar's army? It was approximately 2 lakhs. Though Akbar had a 10 times bigger army, he was never able to catch Maharana Pratap. Maharana Pratap's horse Chetak was very famous for its loyalty to the king, lost its life saving Maharana Pratap. The king is also known for his battle of Haldighat, where he trained tribal people and made them participate in the battle. Next, Chhatrapati Shivaji was a general in the Bijapur army and then rose to be a king. Chhatrapati means master, lord or ruler. He killed Afzal Khan and conquered many territories of Aurangzeb. A secular ruler, accommodated and respected all religions. He used guerrilla warfare tactics to defeat his enemies. He opposed all kinds of violence and harassment against women. Next, Maharaja Ranjit Singh, the king who owned Kohinoor Diamond, one of the 20 leaders nominated in BBC World Histories magazine. Very secular, respected Hindu and Islam religion as well. He was very short in look but was believed to be at his best in the battleground. Finally, Tipu Sultan, known as Tiger of Mysore. He is famous for his aggressive and tactical battle against British. He mastered shooting, horse riding and sword fight at a very young age. He was the pioneer of rocket technology in India. He has written a manual that explains the working of rockets made in Mysore. Hope the video was informative. Don't forget to put in your comments and request viewers to post who is the greatest Indian king ever in your standpoint. Do like, share and subscribe.